Boom, 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 boom. Hi, Judd here. We haven't done a cooking show for a long time. And I'm going to do one tonight just because my neighbor went fishing today and I went over to see him. He gave me a hunk of fish. And this is a red drum fish. It was huge. And he sliced me off a piece of it. I just want to show you that. We're going to cook this up as he told me. Okay, he filleted it for me. I left the skin on and left the bones in. He says that's how you do it because it's easier to deal with that stuff afterwards. And he said to broil it for about 10 minutes, and but he didn't say what temperature. My thing broils at different temperatures, which kind of defeats the purpose of broiling, I think. So anyways, I'm going to cook this up, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, it barely fits on my broiling pan. Okay, I'm going to put some, he said put salt and pepper on it. I'm going to put celery salt, because I love celery salt. That stuff is great. In fact, since I started using that, I use a lot less salt. I don't use as much of that as I use salt. I used to cover everything with salt. This has a lot of taste. I love it. So I got to put this down so I can salt this. So I put some celery salt on that, and I'm going to stick it in the broiler, which is a toaster oven in my case, but it has a broil setting. And then he said about 10 minutes, and to check it when it is flaky with a fork, that means it's done. You know how I cook. I don't cook. And this is fish. I've never cooked fish, real fish. Okay, I cook Norton fish patties, you put them in the microwave for 6 minutes. Okay, so there it is in the broiler, and I got it. It's with that broiling pan's thickness. It's about halfway down, and we'll check that in 10 minutes and see what happens. Hi. Okay, 10 minutes on. Let's take a look. Looks white. I think that's a good thing. Let's see if it's flaky. A little bit. Very moist. He said that was one of the benefits of leaving the skin on, is it keeps the moisture in. I'm going to give it another couple of minutes just because I like things well done generally. So, let's see. Another 4 minutes. Can't kill it. And then we'll try it. Okay, the beeper just went, and we'll pull it out and see what we got. Okay, well, what we've got is one steaming hunk of fish. Probably gonna be way too hot right now. Ah, bone. Oh, he said something about you just grab that and yank them all out. Well, we just want to get a taste here anyway, so we'll just get a little. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like. I shouldn't have put the celery salt on too much. Let's see if we can get some without it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, Oh, wow. Definitely moist, like wet. That skin thing really helped. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what, huh? Can you focus? Focus. Okay. Damn. That's good fish. Red drum, I believe it's called. Wow, thanks, David. Wow. Huh. Okay, that's good. There you go. What was that? I did 14 minutes on it in my toaster oven at 450 broil. Oh yeah, that just comes right off the scale. Look at that. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Funny, you leave something in the oven at 450 for half an hour or 15 minutes and it gets hot. Oh yeah, that skin is just coming right off. Look at that. Look how wet that is. Mm. Wow. Mm. Wow. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's neat. Okay. There's the skin, the scales, what have you. Put that in there. Okay. We've got a little one there. The tail section. Okay. Oh, the scale. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to have to watch out for bones. There's some bones. Because picking them out of there is just going to be a pain in the butt. I ate a very fancy restaurant one time and they served me a fish with bones in it. I complained. Apparently rich people eat it that way. I mean, this place was really rich. Okay, there's the bone. Whoop. In there. Okay, you know, I'm just going to pick at this. I go eat, but. Oh, that's good. Celery salt is definitely out. Regular salt be good. And just for grins and giggles, I'm going to throw a little lemon on there because, I don't know, you're always supposed to do that with fish or something. So that's it. Cooking with Judd, a fish. I cooked the fish. Ha ha! Again, thank you to David for providing me this fillet of red drum fish from Homosassa. Maybe this came right out of Homosassa this morning. So, happy day to you.